intense tasks, and we really need that kind of multi-core processing technology, and fast RAM, really speedy RAM. They're just not up to that task. And certainly networks, you know more about the networking side, the big cards and stuff like that, they operate. The servers are better, just better. It's more stable. They're not going to fall over. They're not going to heat up, burn out. They will. Yeah, we can't leave the i7s running 24/7.
That's worth for the proof of concept,
yeah. It proves that we can do it.
Take this forward then.
It proves that we can get to this stage of managing the cluster. Yeah. I mean, the next bit is, once the spark there and the head is on, is then doing the database stuff. You know, from like some of the Rufus classes for database management. You can log in at the cluster, set up a database, you know, set up the web servers when they're doing full stack development. It's great. If they're doing a little bit of pen testing and kind of, they want to fool around, should we say. You know,
it's not even pen testing, it's security.
That's all it is, yeah. They can test, and when things fail, it doesn't affect anything. It doesn't cost anybody anything. It doesn't endanger the college or any of these machines or anything. It's all in a safe, logical, confined, usable and manageable, more manageable space. And if you think about that kind of resource efficiency in terms of heat, every time you've got 10 dozen computers, the amount of electricity that uses, whereas that's just 4 servers all in one place, using probably what, half a kilowatt per server? I would imagine. Sorry.
You mentioned backing up the last thing though.
Yes.
So would you need more than 4 then?
No, it automatically backs up. The way HDFS works is that it spreads almost like a parity data. It's not quite the same as what your standard RAID would be. It's not that kind of parity. It works subtly different, but if you think of it in those terms, as striping parity across all the nodes, and so they each replicate one another and then fall back to one another if it's required for the namespace and the data nodes. So it's yeah. I mean, what you could do if you really want to back it is just set up an NFS server, pool of resources somewhere separately, and just have a backup solution that constantly backs up those system disks all the time, all the data, or
Well, the master node, you're not going to use a new server for that. You're going to use something else for that.
Okay. What did you have in mind?
That would be better one of the current servers.
Okay.
Because it doesn't need to be as
Because
it doesn't.
Because
it doesn't do the processing.
And it would be a waste of resources to do that.
I agree.
And what we don't want, what we want is what they put forward. We want to run them exactly as they are. If they have a fully utilized processors, they've got 2 processors, they've got fully utilized hard drives, full racked up to the max. So they've got 2.4 terabytes in each. And the only thing where this is spare there is the RAM. So they've got 192
In each
RAM
machine.
in each. So we're not going to do any...
We had hard disk space, we had that?
No.
Because there's only 8 bays in it.
So 8 bays, full 8 bays is fully used. So we wouldn't... What our advice would be, the 3 that you use there for the node, don't touch them in any shape or form, because what we want is to know the performance, everything else as they are, compare them against them, actually look at them, are they built to the same standard and the quality in there? There's absolutely no reason why it should be. So if you use the master node as a different one.
So we could use, say, one of those Gen 9s, is it Gen 9?
Well,
Gen 9 would be better.
Gen 9
could use, that's what made it use less resources.
But the Gen 8's a higher spec.
I think it's a high processor, right?
So the Gen 9's a 1.6.
The thing you've got to balance when you're balancing the load from the head server, from the master, is that it can sufficiently job schedule using Yarn sufficiently quickly.
Oh, you'll be able to. Gen 8 to 9, either of those two. I think it was Gen 9 was better
so what would
efficiency-wise.
Would you guys be open to, if we took 2 of the Gen 10s, new Gen 10s, or 4, depending on what you feel like that when you're not in meeting, and then maybe 2 or 3 of the kind of Gen 9s, Gen 8s, and we could kind of...
I would still...
Maybe. We can work that out, sure. I'm just thinking aloud there.
No, I think
but that master definitely.
there is other stuff that you have asked for, isn't there, about classroom and sofas, coffee,
There is.
your own kettle.
Yeah,
all that
I've
stuff.
already acquired a small fridge, it just needs pack testing.
We might need to maybe have a separate meeting about all them little
Yeah, yeah.
things.
It's to make it more organic, sociable area
Do we know
where
what's happening
adults,
with these rooms?
where adults come here to work on their
Because I don't.
They are adults. We're adults.
I don't have a kettle in a fridge.
Doing staff room.
No, I know there will be a cafe or something like that on the ground floor.
It's,
I think in September, I think it's gone
it's
to
about convenience and cost. I was,
procurement now.
when I've talked to some of the other students, including the third years that just left, we talked about having, it's okay having a cafe downstairs, but when we're working to and from computers, you're doing a task and then leaving it for 10 minutes and you get a cup of coffee, you come back and go, oh, that's finished, I can do something else, program that, give that, go back. It's that social business of having, say, tea in the corner, coffee in the corner, you know, a biscuit, and that break and that business of, yes, almost, maybe outside where it's away from the equipment, might be preferable for you guys. But it was about a place where you can sit down for 10 minutes, take a break, you know. You can do, yeah.
And
If
You
you
know,
look
like
at,
the things
location-wise.
that you'd listed.
Yeah.
You had a listed
On the
stuff
side.
like sofas, this, that. Is it? Yeah, you had it. It was. Oh, you were showing me. That's it.
that's the one.
Could you, if you put together a list of stuff like that
Yeah.
and send it through, then we can see what kind of
It was so that
stuff you might need. You know, like you mentioned filing cabinets.
Yeah, and cabinet, yeah. So cabinet just stores stuff. So when we've got like video equipment, we're not trailing it to and from home all the time, or laptops, or if we're bringing us or the hard drives, or
Problem with that is your personal gear.
that's the thing.
We don't have, we can't.
You can't show it, no.
And it's not sure.
What you mean?
Well,
I know.
There has to be, within the computer science department itself, there has to be a real element of trust.
Cabinets that could send for out of storage.
There has to be.
There is, I think there is.
Ah,
But as a nation, we've generated
I don't have access
destroyed
to
that
that.
trust. With all the insurances and put all this other
It
stuff
makes
in there.
everything,
And I know what you're saying, but we are also aware that it takes one student
so, and that's ruined.
to wreck it, the whole thing. And I don't want to point a finger at anybody, but there's always that one person that does not like what is happening, even though it's their own benefit, it's benefiting them, not everybody. So,
Not thinking of the others.
no.
Yeah, so these were just, and the really important thing, especially with some of it, was access to the building. I know that you can sort out the opening times, but if we wanted to have access, I mean, at the moment, I'm just living in a flat just on Great Terrace, which means it's literally a stone's throw. And times if I want to come down, kind of at the time in the evening or first thing in the morning, get access when there's nobody else there, and use the card key. I mean, Michael's got a disabled card key.
We are having problems to access ourselves.
Oh yeah.
We cannot
Yeah.
access the building correctly
That's crazy.
unless we off
Well,
the
the institutes aren't like that. They have very often 24 hours. It's serious.
I
Leeds
think-
does.
There needs to be some steps in there, and we need to obviously find a reason for that. And if there is
I can see here some of the stuff can be easily addressed. Other stuff can be
They already
addressed
exist.
with,
so
can
it's
be
not-
addressed with Fraser, and other stuff I need to take care of to
Yeah,
management.
they're already organised. They were just some of the bits and bobs. that I was
Sleep.
speaking about.
where?
Okay, so what happens if you've worked for
Come on.
5 days solid?
Well,
Yeah,
there's
you've gone
a
home,
couple of beds for it.
No, but I was
Well,
thinking
have
a place
something
where you
called
can
a
rest.
lodge.
No, this is, you go to Google, you go to big institutions, where, what do?
We
Yeah,
have a room in
They have
David
places where they can relax and chill out and have a cup of tea.
If not, you know where there is
Sleep pod.
there is.
Yeah.
There's a room where you can go and have a,
Have a sleep pod.
Sleep pod.
you know where.
In fact, it's actually part of my learning agreement. I have a room that's separate and quiet, so I can go to sleep.
They can give you one, but it's going to be in David Hockney.
Oh, I can't walk up there, my illness prevents me.
Oh, it's in suspended ceiling.
What, a hammock?
Yeah.
You want a hammock?
So in terms of these rooms, what's happening with these rooms? Is it going to be like a networking department, or
It's
You
gonna be
like the other-
separated 3 areas. So it's going to be this one for networking,
Need some wood to these two guys. Start
Just
building you.
pallets, old pallets like on a building site. Yeah, just
Whenever they want to break some cluster, we can do it.
building work.
Right, so you guys are going to have a
We'll
chat
go and
and
have a
Right,
chat,
we'll have a
Gareth.
chat.
Thank you very
Back.
much.
Thanks,
And we'll
guys.
come back to you.
today, will you come back to us today?
Oh, yeah. We'll come back in like,
Well,
maybe.
once we get set.
Yeah.
If we don't come back in 15 minutes,
There's a
I mean,
couple of hours when you could be sent.
but you might want to start work on that transfer and also the machines, what we were talking early on.
Do you know what I was worried about with you guys? That you would think that we were completely usurping the new resources. And that's not what we had in mind. What it is to actually
We did.
delegate better.
But technically you are, but it's being put back into
Yeah.
operation.
Yeah.
And that's what we're here to make sure that
Yeah.
happens.
Everybody
Surely
else-
producing
everybody-
students with better skills
Well-
is a good thing anyway. You know,
Well,
to say,
yes, but we can't do that by taking resources of other students, because just because they're quiet and not here
Yeah,
doesn't
that's
mean
not
they
fair.
won't develop
That's not fair.
or do it.
The
and that's
loudest
why
of
we'll
us
try.
get
Exactly.
more resources. It's just not
So what we were discussing is, yeah, we agree. We're not.
fantastic. Come
We
on.
don't want to be stopping you
We're going to have a great
project.
Yeah.
You've done enough of self-clustering.
Clustering. Why do you have your chairs? Why you tell us about
Obviously, rather than put all this effort in,
Yeah.
especially because obviously the application is your idea.
I like conceptual thought.
No, it's your idea, but I think like if I'm working through this with you, putting all the hours, and then we don't get somewhere good, then at the end of it, I'm going to have to try to put that into my project as well, otherwise at the end of it, I'm going to put all that effort in.
So,
You know what I mean?
I reckon. Yeah, I know what you mean.
And then it'll just be like,
I know.
all good boys?
All right. Okay. So we can't cancel. Oh, the sizes.
It's not, how did your picture go in?
We'll see. Well, I actually think.
Not that yet.
I think.
I did not like it.
The funny thing is, I think they're actually on the same page. Students. It's not that far away from what we're actually at. It's, I think, where the difficulty rises is like those steps. You know, as in that. That's where who has the conditions, who has the last say. I'll find out. Well, I don't actually do that.
I just want to like.
I'm going to be monitoring the meetings. But we can set up a group of students that do that. Yeah, it's really complex, really silly. I've
No,
mentioned
but setting that up, we can do. Do you know what I say? We can do that, but then obviously the whole control and.
basic practice. They're all working at it's fine. Backing up, distributing.
Yeah.
Distribute a lot of everything. It's good. Yeah. Just want to really, it's been so many months that we've waited for this. Yes.